Safe to say that my Marzano plants are getting heavy. Another one that fell over. Got a stake on it. I don't know how I'm going to fix that one. Don't have any more stakes or anything to stake them with. I've got a couple of these around the house. Getting ready for winter is what they're doing. The bees that are building that, or the hornets or whatever, will die. But the larvae and stuff inside of it will survive the winter. I'm not going to knock it down. It's not hurting me. A lot of work to do that. There's another one around the corner here. Most people would say, oh, we got to knock them down. What you're saying is you got to kill bees. Bees are very helpful. I'm not knocking them down. These corn plants are kind of comical. They're getting cobs on them. They're not going to get any pollen, probably. They're not very tall. The leg there. My dirty pants. It doesn't even come up to my waist. A little bit higher than my knee. Oh well. Pulled the corn cob. I don't know if I can get this with the sun blasting it. That silk is just really crunchy. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Pull it open. Whoop. Dropped it. Pull it open. It's nice and yellow. Gorgeous looking piece of corn. Not a big one, but that's a weird looking one. Not ready. The silk's purple, but it's not dried out yet. Not a good spot for the corn. For the potatoes. I mean, there's another one that's really weird. Get that way in there. What is that? I'll know when I watch it back, I guess. That looks really deformed. I picked another one. Which one was it? The first one. Oh, come on. Oh, it looks pretty good. Got another one here that looks like it might be ready. This is pretty dry. I have to break this open. You see inside there. That's pretty good looking too. There's another one below it. We'll pull it. There's three. Corn down below here is soaking all over the place. It's not real hardy stalks, but it's getting silk on it. I don't know if you can see more through there. There's some in there that's purple. Means it was pollinated. I think that's what I'm looking at. Got more tomatoes turning red. Tomatoes down below here are the ones that are getting all the blossom end rot on them. More silk. More silk. Might make out well with this little patch here. To wait and see. That's what I ended up with. A couple of these are going to go for seed, I'm pretty sure. That one's not real great, but it's eatable. And that one I think are going to go in the seed closet. Nice and clean, nice big kernels. Actually, I don't know if you can see, that's a little lighter. And that one, I like them better a little lighter. They're sweeter. What do you think? Video's not long enough. We need to add stuff. The seed closet. Remember, you're my co-editor. In the yucky carpet room. And lots of seed cobs. These are the two new ones I threw in there. This is the oldest one. I could probably wring them off of there. They're looking nice. Oh yeah, you can't really, I don't know if you can see it in the video. Gonna have lots of seeds for next year. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, and 3 iffy ones. They weren't real good. This one might have a few good seeds on it. Next year. Can't leave you out. The scruffy looking old lady kitty. What do you think? You're purring, of course. Get the brush out and brush ya. You're a good girl. You're the kind of kitty that people get stress relief off of, aren't ya? Good girl, sissy. You're a good girl. Close up of you. Look at you. That's my sissy. Doubt I'll get that. I don't know what that bird is right there. It was flying pretty neat. To watch it back and see what it was. Too far away to really get a good video of it. Wait and see what it looks like on the big screen.